we get two different sounds there. Where's the best place for us to play on each drum? Well, on the snare drum, we can get different sounds depending on where we play. Let's play 1N, 2N, 3N, 4N, and we'll start on the middle of the drum, and the second time we'll go to the outer edge of the drum and see how it sounds different. 1, 2, and ready, go. Back to the middle. You hear we get two different sounds there. It's really up to you to decide what sound makes the most sense for the song that you're playing. The same is true on tom-toms. We're going to get kind of that more dead sound in the middle. Let's do the same exercise on this tom. Ready? Go. Personally, for most of my music, I like to play right in the middle of the tom-tom, but again, use your ears. On the cymbals, we can get a lot of different sounds also. Notice the difference in sound when I play here. Try it with me on the edge first. Now when I play right by the bell. Near the bell, we get way less overtones. A lot of drummers like to get those overtones. They try to find the sweet spot in their cymbal, somewhere between the very edge and the bell. It's usually about an inch or two from the edge of the cymbal, depending on how big it is and how it was made. So let's try playing right there. Ready? Go. Awesome. You can also play right on the bell, like this. It sounds kind of like a cowbell, but it's pretty loud, so you want to use that sparingly so the rest of your bandmates, they keep asking you to keep playing with them. So on the crash cymbal, we want all of those overtones. We want just a loud crashing sound. So we can actually even use the shoulder of our stick to hit the edge. Notice the difference between the shoulder and the tip of the stick. Experiment with that on your own too. Finally, let's talk about the hi-hat. We can get so many different sounds on the hi-hat. First, let's drop our foot all the way down, make sure the cymbals are really tight, and play with the tip of our stick. 1, 2, ready, go. I'm playing pretty close to the edge of the cymbal. What happens when we loosen our foot just a little bit, not all the way up, but just a little bit up? That's a pretty cool sound that's used in a lot of rock music, particularly. We can get a third sound by opening our foot up while we play. Let's try that. It'll be like a slow kind of a disco thing. So we're going to go closed, open, close. Experiment with your drum set and find all the different sounds you can make. There are a lot of possibilities.